Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by acting fast. Remove floating debris with a handheld skimmer and vacuum any settled dirt. While you work, test the water for pH and free chlorine so you know what to adjust. Once done, add small amounts of chlorine and pH increaser or reducer in measured doses. This prevents overcorrection. You want balanced water because it improves sanitizer effectiveness and reduces stains. Make sure to circulate with the pump immediately after dosing so chemicals distribute evenly. Now focus on continuous control. Run the filter pump 8 to 12 hours per day, more if the pool is in direct sun or heavily used. You should use a floating chlorine dispenser for steady dosing and schedule a shock treatment once a week to break down organics. Also, brush the pool walls and floor to prevent biofilm and clean or replace the filter cartridge every 1 to 2 weeks. These steps keep particulate and bacteria low, maintaining clear, safe water. Finish by verifying chemical levels and clarity before anyone enters. Test pH and chlorine, then skim and vacuum any remaining debris. If the water looks cloudy, shock the pool and run the filter until particles clear. Vacuum after settling. If algae appears green, treat with an algaecide and maintain high chlorine until clear. Make sure to cover the pool when idle to cut contamination. Troubleshooting tip. If levels keep fluctuating, inspect the filter and pump flow. Poor circulation often causes recurring problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.